Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video I am going to show you how to add a sketch effect to image in Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we want to add a sketch effect to image. Go to the insert menu and click picture option. Then choose a picture on our file. Now I choose this picture and click insert. Now we can see here we inserted a picture. Now we want to add a sketch effect in this picture. Click the picture and go to the format menu. Then click artistic effect. Then choose the sketch effect. Now we can see here we add sketch effect to image very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.